Hello everyone, welcome to Mass Models. Today we are going to the Amherst Railroad Show. Please enjoy. Over here we got some Lionel. We got one American Flyer for a pretty hefty price. But that's where all the model trains. Some G-gauge stuff. Hats, shirts. Some more hats and shirts. Some more. Ooh, HO stuff, nice. Swiss train. Is that real rails? Yeah, that is. I thought this was plastic at first. American Flyer set.
I looked on the list of vendors. I saw your name on it.
My dad insisted. So my dad insisted we take a look at these Army railroad cars. He pointed out that this one looks like the one from the TV show MASH. And we got a lot of other nice cars here. Some more layout. This one's pretty big. We got a lot of N scale stuff over here. Got some more O gauge, a lot of O gauge, and I think I see some HO over here too. Good selection of HO trains. The Vision Line Big Boy. This thing's way too expensive for me to afford. You got some classic Lionel stuff. Sorry about that, sir. Some classic Lionel stuff. Some classic Lionel controllers, transformers, whatever you like to call them. Got this huge HO layout. It goes all the way around the room. And here we go with a pretty long train. Yeah, it's pretty long. Really, Dad? Sorry about that, guys. My dad's talking a bit. It's okay, though. But except from that, you got the yard over here. Excuse me, guys. It's frog in my throat. But you got some unfinished area, but big yard. You got some American Flyer stuff over here. You got some more American Flyers, some steam locomotives over here. And a lot of coaches. Got some more coaches, passenger coaches, some locomotives, some GP9s.
Looking for the new one for
Over here you got some American Flyer parts. Some more American Flyers. This is a big stand though. Got a lot of stuff. Some steam engine. Got some cars. This room's bigger than I remembered. A lot more stuff. Like, got some Bachmann stuff. DCC Bachmann stuff. You got up here. You got G gauge. A lot of it, which is one thing I cannot afford. Some N scale. Some HO. Got a big train layout again. The amount of huge train layouts this year is crazy. Got this N scale layout. This thing's massive. It goes all the way around. But yeah, we're not that far. Wow, this is cool. big layout. Some more N scale stuff. There's a train coming through right now.
What did you do now, sir?
Over here, you got a Lego train layout. This is cool, put it simply. I'm loving this. You got a station, a farm. So Lego layout expands. I swear, this layout is humongous. And if I'm right, I think I see the blue comet in Lego. Oh wow, look at that. Over here you got a Thomas layout. How's it going, sir?
How's it going?
You got a humongous layout over here too. The size of these layouts this year are just absolutely monstrous. Over here you got their G gauge layout. Humongous as well.
I think that's taller than all the ladders that
Pretty realistic. Oh, it is. Well done. I don't think I look at it.
You got right on train over here.
I got to get down to the tap, so I had to hold the out. Yeah.
Got some steam engines over here, steam expansion.
Because bigger's better. He learns from his dad.
A ride on diesel locomotive over here. G gauge. Dang, Paul.
They're commercially available.
No, I took those and I just program them on my laptop and then I solder them in. So I try to make the flash patterns to match the specific prototype. So
Right here, you got some Lionel. Probably too expensive for me, but I'm still gonna take a look. So we're here at the Lionel stand. That's now the Polar Express. So. Got some American Flyers by Lionel. Some Lionel stuff.
Those are
Here we are at the next building. So we got some G gauge stuff and some classic O. I think I see some S gauge. Yeah, some stuff. I believe this is a Z or T gauge layout. I don't know. I think it's Z.
it's Z.
It is?
I wasn't sure if they had T-scale or not.
That's Z.
Yeah, that's the T-scale is so small you can't really get details.
Yeah.
Got some S-scale layouts. You know me, I love my S-scale. You got some S-scale coaches. Over there you got some locomotives, some American Flyer stuff on this side of the table. Some Volkswagens. Nice stuff. Some more American Flyer stuff. You guys know me, I love my Flyers. Here's some American Flyer stuff, the usual American Flyer. Who doesn't love American Flyer? I love it. That was really bad, but American Flyer. Got some classic Lionel stuff. Oh, one Flyer right there. Right here you got some O-gauge stuff, some Lionel. I believe some of them are Rail King or MTH. Of course, American Flyers, who doesn't love them? A big table of Flyers too. We got Lionel Heaven, I guess you could say. The amount of Lionel stuff here is ridiculous. We got a New Haven toilet seat cover. That is interesting. All right, this is the biggest room yet. Let's go. We got some American Flyer stuff over here. Got Thomas the Tank Engine. Alex is back on the channel. Press it, boy.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow, that was interesting.
Maybe you gotta hold it, yeah.
Are we meeting up with your brother or not?
Nope.
He hasn't called.
Oh, that's pretty lame.
Lame.
So we came to this layout earlier. My friend pointed out, I didn't even notice. You got freaking Jurassic Park over here, bro.
You got the whirly memory.
Oh my. Wait, where's the T-Rex, bro? No T-Rex? What a scam.
We got Pierre Chef coming through here.
But anyway, dinosaur.
Oh, it's the Boston Green Line. It's the Boston Green Line. That's so cool. It's the Boston.
Check out, this is the long one. Check out the cars there.
That is a lot of hot base. Oh, there you go.
that's it for Matt S Models and my boy Alex. Here. So my boy actually bought his first model trains. That won't be in the unboxing later. We'll be unboxing my stuff as usual.
Yep.
That's it from the Amherst Train Show. Matt out, guys.